What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Today I have this 1991 Mercedes-Benz. I just finished cleaning the interior of this Mercedes-Benz, and now I brought Jason out so he can help me with the exterior. He's not really gonna help me out, he's gonna be behind the scenes talking to you guys, talking to me. But we have this 1991 Mercedes-Benz. The owner does not care for it whatsoever. I mean, look, it looks like this car has been through a sandstorm. You guys are always saying, I want a dirty car, that car is not dirty. So today we got you a brand new 1991. Is it brand new?
Brand new.
It's a brand new to the
a brand new 30-year-old car.
Exactly, a brand new 30-year-old car. It has seen better days. There's scratches and swirls on it, but nonetheless, one thing that's deceiving the look of this vehicle is the cheater print, which is caused by sand and rain. So the owner lives right by the beach, and it just recently rained here in California. So we walk around. The owner does not care for whatsoever. So check this out. If I just rub my finger on here, look how dirty that is. All of that just came off onto my finger. It's just dirt and grime. So don't do that on your paint. I'm doing that on the glass because it's very difficult for a glass to scratch. So I'm just showing you guys how filthy it is. And this car is completely covered 360. Check out the hood. The hood looks like a cheetah. It looks cool though.
What's the cheetah sound?
Meow. That's a cat.
Okay.
Anyways, the Mercedes-Benz is completely trash. We did a full detail on it, and this is how the owner pays us. He didn't take our hard work into consideration. So today we're just gonna do a quick basic maintenance wash. So we're gonna be using Blacklight Auto Wash to bring back the shine. So the interior is already cool. It's already ready to go. Now we're moving on to the truck. So I have a very good surprise for you, Jason.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, so I came very prepared today. I packed us everything we need into our brand new ride-along large space collapsible bag.
You got
an
arsenal in there.
Our arsenal inside here, our wash mitts, anything we might need inside here. But I also brought our bucket. Using our 2 buckets, it's going to allow us to do a 2-bucket method. So by using a 2-bucket method, we're going to reduce scratches and swirls. We're just going to fill up the water. Meanwhile, Jason's going to give you guys a cool montage of what the bag has inside. And then once I'm done with the water, we're going to get into the wash. I'll give you a quiz. All right?
Okay. Yeah, give me a quiz.
All right. Why do we use 2 buckets?
Well, there's this thing, I don't know if you've heard of it, Henry. It's called the 2-bucket method. And it's a method that we use here at Chemical Guys in order to reduce the chances of scratching and swirling our paint. And the reason for that is because if you use 1 bucket and you start dipping your dirty wash mitt into that bucket, eventually it's going to fill up with more dirt than there is water. And we don't want that. So we have our dirt traps here, which will filter the dirty water and suck the contaminants down below into the bottom half of the bucket and leave fresh, clean wash water up above. The reason we have 2 buckets is because to even further minimize that, we're only dipping our dirty wash mitt into the rinse bucket so that our soapy bucket has nothing but pure clean water all the time.
All right, next question.
Was that too detailed for you?
That was super detailed, but I have another question for you. What came first?
The chicken or the egg? Oh.
Or the fruit orange?
The color orange or the fruit orange?
And
well,
why?
I'm going to tell you something. This is a difficult question to answer. You could argue that the fruit
got named after the color.
Was named after the color because someone saw the fruit and they were like, oh, that's an orange because it's orange.
Yeah.
But then why don't we have the color apple? Huh?
Well, exactly.
Why is there no color apple?
I'm asking you.
So maybe the orange was named first, and then we saw the color and we're like, that color looks like an orange.
So that's your final answer.
I didn't really give an answer.
The orange came first. The fruit orange came first instead of that.
I think just by the nature of how things live and grow on the planet, the orange definitely came before the color was named, but I don't know which was named first. That's a more specific question.
All right. So Comment down below, let us know what came first, the
Yeah,
color orange
which came
or the
first?
fruit orange. Help Jason out.
Help
All right,
me
Jason,
here.
pull out the soap, pour that
All right.
in. Meanwhile,
Which soap
I'll get-
we got here? Today we are going to be working with Blacklight. Blacklight Hybrid Radiant Finish Car Wash Soap. This car is black, and this soap is amazing to maintenance wash your black painted vehicles. We're going to put 2 ounces into this bucket. Which one do you prefer as the soap bucket?
You're the guest. I'll let you choose.
Tell you what, since
tell
we're,
me.
since we're using Blacklight and we have a black bucket here, ultra clear, heavy duty black bucket, I'm going to use that as the soap bucket so it's not confusing at all. And I'm going to put 2 ounces in, 1 and 2, and that should be sufficient for our soap. A little goes a long way. This bottle should last you a long time. I'm going to place this back into our little storage container, pop out our foam cannon.
Just make sure you get our foam cannons, our wash mitts,
Yeah,
and our towels, just so whenever we're done foaming, we could dry it up.
exactly. So we've got our foam cannon as well, which I'm going to pull out of this bag. We've got a pair of wash mitts so we can both wash together, which I will dump into this soapy bucket here. And we will also need to move these t-shirts temporarily and grab these woolly Mammoth towels so we can both dry as well. And as you see, everything is still functional and organized in there. I'm gonna close this guy up. Watch your fingers. It is a heavy trunk.
Watch your phalanges. You know what phalanges are?
Phalanges are digits.
Huh?
Phalanges are digits.
Phalanges are fingers.
What are digits?
Phone numbers. So we start off by rinsing on the vehicle just to knock off any loose grime or debris. See how this compares to water. All right. So if you guys want to see a better look that it did not come out, you guys can still see the spots right here in the sun. So if I rinse it off, I should say, you can still see them. So all of that is just filth sitting on the car, and that unfortunately cannot come off with just a rinse down. Now it's just time to set up our TORQ Professional Max Foam cannon. So I put this off to the side. I'll just put it up here, just won't fall. If it falls inside the water, that's perfectly fine. And now I will be inserting 2 ounces of soap into my TORQ Professional Max Foam cannon. That's 2 ounces. Now I'll just get the head, and I'll just insert it. And after that, I'll just stir it, not shake it, because I don't want any foam inside my foam cannon. So just stir it, don't shake it. So first off, we're gonna rinse it down. Then we're gonna foam it up using the TORQ Professional Max Foam cannon. And then after that, we're gonna scrub it down using our Chanel wash mitt. So anyways, let's get started. Jason, this is the hood
Wow,
over here.
wow, look at the difference of the trunk. It's like black again, and it's shiny. Man, compared to like that cheetah marks, I think this is a great job.
So whenever you guys are done and you want to stay organized, this one you just pop over in your trunk. I'll dump out any water that was left on my bottles. Make sure to dump out my water from my foam cannon. And like this, I stay organized. And if you guys want to stay organized, you guys can hop onto our website right now, chemicalguys.com, and pick up your collapsible ride-along bag. Store anything inside at any given time. So guys, if you guys will also want to pick up any of these products that we used today, whether it was Blacklight, a foam cannon, or buckets, or dirt chops, hop onto our website right now, chemicalguys.com. If you want to achieve these lustrous black looks black color look on your vehicle, I recommend using Blacklight. And thank you for sharing your passion for shine with Chemical Guys.